This is some chicken breast I put together. Added some garlic powder, some garlic salt, some adobo and sazon, pepper, and a blood orange. You see these? These are the blood oranges. Shit's is red inside. I took one of these, squeezed it into 4 slices. You know me, gotta add the garlic to it. And I'm gonna broil this chicken up. But yeah, I sliced the chicken, I put slices in all of the chickens, seasoned it up, took a blood orange, squeezed all of the juice, and got all of the juice into it. I'm gonna put some garlic on it, and I'm gonna broil it. This is gonna be my lunch. This is for all you clean eaters out here. This is chicken breast from what you call it? Got this shit from Walmart. Yeah, it's chicken breast in a bag. You know? What? What's that? Alright, well, put it over there. A little bit of garlic. What happened? That wasn't me, guys. I don't settle for longs when I cook. We're back to our next segment.